What's up, everyone? AJ here again, back with another episode on, building things in craft or using craft, I guess I should say. And in this episode, I created our own little YouTube folder so that we can go through just, a bunch of feature sets and dive into some things. So first thing first, I'm going to do styling in craft. So the one thing I love about craft is that they make it really fun to take notes and organize your notes. So like this is the first part of my notes. This is the second part of my notes. I'm gonna make it to do. There are a couple of key points, maybe even too many to count. I don't know. And then what I'm gonna do, yeah. So we have these two. Like this is the first part of my notes. Maybe this is like beginning. Maybe this is. Oh yeah, they have some cool shortcuts, so I can just click space to like, go right under the latest block here, and then I'll delete that. I'll click this here, click space. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start styling, right? So in order to start styling, you can click this menu that everyone's getting used to, right? Which is the new icon, sidebar icon, in iOS 14. Or you could just click this, simple button right here, right? So I'm gonna click style, right? So there's a lot of things you can do. So if I highlight this block, these obviously come unlocked, and you can make this a title, you can make the subtitle, you can make this a heading. You can also not do anything, and you can make this strong, body, or caption. You can just do body and just make this bold if you want. There's a bunch of different options. Then you can make this a page, or don't make it a page. Like this would be another page inside of this document, right? So if you wanted to do like beginning, like if you're watching a video, this is the beginning, and then here are the notes inside of the beginning. Well, you would want to do a page, and then when you go in, this is where it would show all the notes for the beginning, right? But we're not doing that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna undo that, and then you have a card option. So they have some preset cards. I think you get the first 3 free, but then after that, these are premium. So we can use like a free card here. You can do modern look, right? Like cool gradients. You can do classy, the font, and fun. I like fun. Backgrounds. Look at these crazy backgrounds you can have. I mean, you can even upload a picture, which is kind of cool. I like this guy, so we'll apply style, right? And then you can just copy, and look, it just pastes right there, right? I mean, you don't have to do anything. So what I'm gonna do is, my favorite thing is I'm gonna, these, you can make these these are all self-explanatory. You can actually have code snippets if you want, strike through. I personally like making this bold, and what I like doing is making this a block, and then I pick a color. I usually pick like, in this case, maybe beginning can be green, and I like merging. Like, to me, this kind of hurts my eyes, right? So I like merging things that are related to a header. So I'll actually highlight this. And what I love about craft is that it senses if a element above this block is the same block or has the same settings, it actually merges, right? So if I make this a block, right, it's gray, but it's a block, so they stand out, right? But if I make this a green, they merge, and now you have a big block, right? So now what I can do here is I can make this strong, and I can then highlight these, make these a block, and make these blue, right? And look how nice that looks, right? So these are just some quick tips that you can use to style and craft. I'm just gonna create a card example real quick so that I have it in here, and we're gonna create a card, and we're gonna make this a full width card. Fun, and let's make it like that. So we have our card, and if I want to like move anything ever, I click the block, holding command, and just click up, right? And this also works with groups. See, command, just holding, all you have to do is like click a block and then hold in shift and you highlight more things, and then you just hold in command, you can move them. So that's pretty much styling craft. Let me know what you guys think in the episode below, and I will see you in the next episode where we break down the insert feature. I'll see you guys in the next episode.